All right, guys. Yes, we are here. It be like say the thing don't get K leg, not be small thing. All right, we brought this to your screen today. This is about Nigerian military cries out, over some of Ekpa's activities in the southeast. I want to make you watch this video, make you listen to Ram, and then we'll take it from here.
Nigeria's security chiefs are accusing the judiciary of frustrating the fight against terrorism by releasing Boko Haram suspects. They made the comment when they appeared before the House of Representatives. They also spoke on various issues, including unrest in the southeast and the welfare of men and officers. Let's take a listen to this report.
After the House refused to attend to representatives sent by the service chiefs last week, top officers are here following the directive of the Green Chambers. Wide range of issues affecting the country were raised by the security chiefs. Chief of Defense Staff set the ball rolling by accusing the self-acclaimed Biafra agitator, Simon Ekpa, of sabotaging security agents in the southeast. General Christopher Musa accuses Ekpa of sabotaging security agents in the southeast. General Musa disclosed this when he led other service chiefs and Inspector General of Police to appear before the House of Representatives at the commencement of the sectoral debate.
One basic area we're looking at is this issue of the southeast. Simon Ekpa. So this individual has become a menace to this country.
Order.
Samuel Ekpa has become a menace to this country. So the country must act on it diplomatically. Finland is having a free way, encouraging him to do what he's doing. By his utterances and his actions, he's affecting what is happening in Nigeria. We should never allow that, sir. So I think our foreign service need to step in to address such issues. It's either we invite the ambassador or somebody, they must explain why they are protecting him. And he's doing us more harm because by his utterances, a lot of people are being killed. We cannot sit back and just keep quiet.
The general also chides the judiciary for releasing Boko Haram suspects after being arrested by the military.
Another aspect of the judiciary is this. You do all your efforts, you make an arrest, you hand over before the man is released on bail. Now you have risked yourself in doing that. By the time he is released, he goes to tell the people who you are, and then your family members or you are at risk. So it gets to a stage where the security forces are not even willing to do it, because once you get an arrest, the person is released. We have the issue in the South. A lot of the ships the other ship that was arrested 10 years ago. It was arrested, it was handed over, the ship went and changed its name, changed its color, and came back again. 10 years later, we arrested the same ship. And by the time you hand over the ship, before you know it, it's released.
Yes, that's the Nigerian judiciary for you, my people. Yes, nothing is working in Nigeria. Unfortunately, nothing is working. Anyway, this is Nigerian military crying out right now that Samuel Ekpa have become a menace in Nigeria. I don't know what you think, what you have to say about this, but leave your opinion, or rather your comment on the comment section. Let's see and take it from there. But meanwhile, listen to here when they asked Samuel Ekpa, why didn't you just go to Nigeria yourself, to do all this by yourself? Listen to what he has to say here. Let's take this together.
So wouldn't it be better if you went back home and did the political thing there?
You should know. You see, I learn from what happened to others. I don't want to put my life in danger, because the country, as far as I'm concerned, does not exist. Any country that does not respect the rule of law does not exist.
You're scared you might be killed?
Not everybody. You know that. You can say that.
In Finland?
Yes.
So wouldn't it be better if you went back home and did the political thing there?
You should know. You see, I learn from what happened to others. I don't want to put my life in danger, because the country, as far as I'm concerned, does not exist. Any country that does not respect the rule of law does not exist.
You're scared you might be killed?
Not everybody. You know that. You can say that.
All right, guys. Do you think Samuel Ekpa is scared of the Nigerian government by not coming to Nigeria by himself to do all this, or to take the lead? Tell us what you think about this particular video. Now that Nigerian government have given him attention, they have cried out for the military to come out right now to say that Samuel Ekpa have become a menace in the country. You know what that means. But nevertheless, I want to hear what people have to say on the comment section, or anywhere you find this video. Just tell us what's your view. Thank you. Please share our videos and like our videos as well. Subscribe to our channel, NAIJA Watch Media. God bless you all.